It is imperative that we defend the reemployment rights of our heroes in uniform. The Uniformed Services Employment and Reemployment Rights Act, or USERRA for short, is a federal law that gives you the right to return to your pre-service job after voluntary or involuntary military service. Most reserve component members do not understand or have wrong information about these rights. For a primer on USERRA, I suggest you check out Law Review 766. USERRA guarantees that when you return home from military service, the employer must reemploy you in the position that you would have attained if you had been continuously employed, or another position for which you're qualified that is of like seniority, status, and rate of pay. You must meet 5 conditions to have the right to reemployment under USERRA.
What kind of military service is covered by USERRA?
USERRA covers voluntary or involuntary military service or training, whether for 5 hours or 5 years.
Under USERRA, what do I have to tell my employer?
You must tell the employer that you're going to be away from work prior to your departure. You can do it orally or in writing, but I suggest you do it in writing.
How long can I be gone from a job and still expect to get it back under USERRA?
You can be gone up to 5 years cumulatively with that employer. There are 9 exceptions, kinds of service that don't count, and they are discussed in detail in Law Review 201.
What kind of discharge do I need in order to have the right to reemployment?
You must have been released from the period of service without a court-martial or other than honorable discharge.
How long do I have to apply to return to my job?
Well, there's no reason to wait. You should apply as soon as possible. But if your period of service was 181 days or more, you have 90 days to apply for reemployment. There are shorter deadlines after shorter periods of service. When you return from deployment, it can be challenging to return to your civilian job. That is where the Reserve Officers Association can help you. If you're a reservist or National Guard member who has faced employment discrimination, we are here to help. Together, we can make the difference for all reserve component members.